So welcome back students. Here is the next problem. Problem number 16. Under without minimum rent account method, Bihar Coal Company undertook some coal bearing land from Mr. Gupta at a royalty of 1 per ton. So he is taking Bihar Coal Company. So he is a lessee, and from whom he is taking? From Gupta. He is a lessor at royalty of rupees 1 per ton with a minimum rent of 17,000 per annum. Each year's excess of minimum rent over the actual royalties were recoverable during the subsequent 3 years. So here the word subsequent is mentioned. So if it is a short workings into 1995 means in next 3 years, that is 6, 7, 8, the short workings can be recovered. In 1996, if it is a short workings means in the next 3 years, that is 1997, 8 and 9, the short workings can be recovered that way. That is floating recoupment method. Next, the lease, however, stipulated that in any year the minimum rent was not attained due to strike, the minimum rent was to be regarded as having been reduced proportionately, having regards to the length of the stoppage. So in whichever year there is a in whichever year there is a strike means the minimum rent used to be reduced. The minimum rent is proportionately reduced means, so if it is here, you can see if it is for a 3 months means in 12 months you will be minusing 3 months. So 15,000 whatever the minimum rent is there, that will be reduced for only 9 months. You will be not paying complete for 12 months, you will be paying only for 9 months. I will show you later how to do that calculation. Yeah, next is year 1995, years they are given, and production they are given 1996, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 2000. So they are given production, and in the year 1995 there is a strike for 3 months. So now prepare the royalty account, short workings account and Gupta's account in the books of Bihar Coal Company, that is lessee's books. You need to prepare, that is in the books of lessee, and you they are not mentioned regarding minimum rent, so there is no need of minimum rent. That's why you will be doing under the without minimum rent account method, which is different from with minimum rent account. So here is the table of analysis. Before that, I'll be showing you regarding the strike. So calculation of minimum rent during the strike of 1999. So for 12 months the minimum rent is 17,000. So for 12 months, that is for 1 year, the minimum rent is 17,000. For 9 months, how much? How is this 9 months? So 1 year 12 months minus 3 months of strike, right? So for 9 months it is to cross multiplication you will do. So 17,000 multiplied by 9 by 12, 12,750 will be the minimum rent in the year of 1999. Understood? Then let's go with the table of analysis. Now you need to write down all the things. So you write all the years and also the production, and royalty is rupees 1 per ton. So rupees 1 per ton at 1, rupee 1, right? So 2000 into 1, 2000, 14,000 into 1, 14,000, 19,000 into 1, 19,000, 23,000 into 1, 23,000, 15,000 into 1, 15,000, 25,000 into 1, 25,000. Then now need to write the minimum rent. So be careful, minimum rent for all the years will be same except for 1999, because for the year of 1999 the minimum rent is 12,000, that is 12,750. Understood? Done. So now it will be same for everything. What happens now? Yeah, here in this year the minimum rent is more than royalty, so you have that is short workings. When minimum rent is more than royalty, we have a short workings. How much is a short working? 15,000. 17,000 minus 2,000, 15,000 short workings, no surplus. So what you will pay for the short work, that is for the landlord, 17,000 you will be paying, that is the minimum rent. Whenever the minimum rent is less than royalty, you will be paying the minimum rent. Okay. In the second year also the minimum rent is more than royalty. That time you will be having the short workings. How much is the short workings? 3,000. 17,000 minus 14,000, you have a 3,000 rupees worth of short working. So what you will pay? You will be paying 17,000 for the landlord. So coming on to the next year, in the next 1997 you have a surplus. So royalty is more than minimum rent. When royalty is more than minimum rent, you will be having a surplus. So how much is the surplus? 19,000 minus 17,000, 2,000 rupees is a surplus. Now you need to write off. Whenever you have a surplus, before giving it to the landlord, the surplus value, you need to write off the any short workings of the previous year. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ 50,000 ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಫಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡು, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ 15,000. ಸೊ 15,000ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2,000 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ I'll take that. Take that 22,000 done. So what you will pay? 17,000 you will pay. When there is nothing to recover here means you will be paying exactly 19,000. Whenever there is a recovery, you will first see if there is anything to recover. So the next coming on to in the year of 1998, 23,000 is royalty, 17,000 is the minimum rent. So now we have this surplus because royalty is more than minimum rent. ಎಷ್ಟು surplus? 6,000 is the surplus. What you will do, you will pay in the 15,000, you will pay 6,000. So 15,000 ittu namge, right? 15,000 was the short workings in the first year. Out of this, in the third year I will pay 2,000 rupees. So remaining ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? 13,000 rupees ittu. So ಈ 13,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ out of this 13,000 also, now in the year of 1998 6,000 bantu. 6,000 rupees I'll pay. So what is the remaining? 7,000 is remaining. So according to the question, first year short workings can be recovered in the next 3 years only. So 15,000 ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ರಿಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, ಇನ್ನು 7,000 is irrecoverable. I have written irrecoverable in 7,000 in the third year's column. So what I'll write in the amount column for payment will be 17,000. So now ಇದನ್ನ ಮುಗೀತು ನನಗೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಡನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಡನ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ 1999ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಇವನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ 1999 what happens, the minimum rent has reduced. So the royalty is more than minimum rent. Okay, so how much is surplus? 2,250 is the surplus. So ಈಗ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ನಾನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ದೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಕುಡೆಂಟ್ ಇವನ್ ರಿಕವರ್ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎಂಡೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ as 7,000 is gone. Now I'll see for 3,000. So out of this 3,000 in the year of 1999 I recovered 22,250. So remaining 750 recovered is 22,250. Remaining 750 is irrecoverable. How is that irrecoverable? Because what happened here, ನನಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ 1996 ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 years, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ 7, 8, 9 ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. 2000ವರೆಗೂ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಯರ್. ಸೊ 750 ಈಸ್ ಇರ್ರಿಕವಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ 1996. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತಾ? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐಲ್ ಪೇ ದಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 12,750. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ in the 2000 we had a surplus of 8,000. So royalty is more than minimum rent alva. Royalty is more than minimum rent. What is the surplus now? 8,000 rupees is the surplus. So there is nothing to recover, no short workings to recover, no nothing recover, no recover. Whatever the money you have earned as royalty, you will be paying it to the landlord. So this is about the table of analysis of this problem number 16. So I want you to prepare the other 3 accounts, that is I want you to do with royalty account, short workings account and Mr. Gupta's account in the books of lessee without minimum rent account method. Understood? Hope you have been understood with this. Any doubts you can ask me. It's okay. Thank you. So one more thing, by this we'll be ending with without minimum rent account method. So in the books of lessee with minimum rent, without minimum rent, erdu mugitu. So we'll be doing in the books of lesser from the next video. Okay, next class. Thank you.